Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and run Kali Linux in our Oracle VMbox live. So if you don't have Oracle already and if you don't have Kali Linux already, just go download them. Kali Linux, pretty simple to download them, www.kalilinux.org, and then just navigate to the downloads folder, download the ISO. You can download whatever bit ISO you use depending on what PC you have, and yeah, I downloaded the 32-bit version. So yeah, once you downloaded Kali, which takes a while, once you've downloaded Kali, you download Oracle. You just go Google Oracle VMboxWare. It's free, obviously, and yeah, run that. Well, install that. Now, write your Kali disk onto a clean DVD or CD. Right? I recommend DVDs because some CDs don't come with that much enough space. So yeah, just get a DVD. It's much simpler, DVD. Make sure that it has never touched a PC, because I've tried it. I've tried inserting one of my old CDs and DVDs, try to wipe it, try to install it didn't want to work. So just buy it, take it out of plastics, put it in, don't do shit to it. So I've already got mine burned, right? So yeah, but yeah, here's the Kali. That's all good. It's in my C drive or my E drive, I think. So yeah, I've got my drive insert, well, my CD, Kali Live CD inserted, and yeah, so let's get cracking. So we open Oracle. Just give it a moment. I'm running single processor, as you all know, probably read about my previous videos. Right, now I've got a couple workstations, yeah, but yeah, those are all for special needs and pen testing needs and all that. This was just a test run, wanted to test it out, but yeah, so this is the one we're focusing on. Right. Okay, so I'll create a new one. So you click new and you can call it Kali Linux, whatever download version you took. So I took 1.0.8 because it's a new one, and then you pick whatever bit. Because I got a 32-bit, that's why I picked 32-bit. So you pick Debian 32-bit. Now if you have anything else, like say a Kali Linux 64-bit, then you pick Debian 64-bit. Once you've done that, you go next. And recommend it. Now, if you're running single core like I am, I suggest you don't put it too high, because it just slows down your host OS so much that, like, say now you want to hack your main OS, you pretty much can't, because your PC gets so slow. If you're running on a laptop or something, your PC gets so slow that it just takes years and years. Okay, so I recommend just keep it at that. If you do have a quad or a core or a dual or anything like that, then you can put it at 800, and I think it's 821 megabytes. So then you click next, create a virtual drive now. You go create VDI virtual disk image, and you go next. Dynamically allocated, and you go next. Then make this 20 gigabytes, right? But now, because it's dynamically allocated, it's dynamically, which means you're not wasting 20 gigabytes on the dot. You're just reserving, kind of. So if your PC needs to save more data to that 20 gigabytes, then it will. It won't interfere, okay? But 20 gigabytes just offers a better installation and then less bugs and all that. So you click create. And then there you go. There's what we just created. Now you don't just start it up and bam, there you go. You still got all of the settings to do. So you click on settings, and you can do whatever, and that's fine. We just did that. Advanced, yeah, shared clipboard. You go bio, direct, fucking that shit. Electrical, show top screen. No description. You can leave. System. We left that. So now we've got a CD, so we can take all of this off to cut off. Enable IOPIC, special overses only. No, you can leave that. Hardware clock and UTC time. Execution cap. Now you can. I like to change this because I'm running obviously one. So I like to put it just there on the edge, like there by maybe like 43%, so that your host OS still has main power, so that you don't get stuck. Enable this. Display, video memory, I also minimized it. I'll kind of lessened it because laptop over here, people can't really do all of the fancy doohickeys. Enable 3D acceleration for less bugs. Remote display, I don't like remote display because it offers vulnerabilities. Video capture, if you want to become a YouTuber or you want to just show off to your friends that you have Linux, enable video capture and then just do whatever you want here. So yeah, enable 3D acceleration. Storage. Now, right, you can click Controller IDE, empty, click on Controller IDE. IDE secondary master, you click yeah, and you click choose CD virtual drive. So I've already got a Ultra OS file, so you just open that one. Yeah, so yeah, and you can go audio, you can keep that, enable audio so that you can play music through your Kali if you want to. Network. Now, if you have a network, like if you have internet access, which you obviously do, I hope, yeah, you can enable that. You can keep it as NAT, not attached, which means you can't have internet. NAT network, bridge network, they all offer different things. Like a bridge network, your host OS and your Kali will kind of like talk together, and both of your OSs will have the same IP address. So it's at some standstill, it offers better. It gives you more advantages. Like if you want to hack your main OS, you don't have to send the email or load your payload into a drive or something. Internal network, it's like your own network. So I like to keep it at NAT. If advanced, if you don't like your current MAC address, you can just click refresh a lot of times, and then it just just randomly does that. And yeah, so then there you go. Serial ports, you can, if you want the serial ports, you can enable this. USBs, I'll show you how to enable a USB when we actually shared folders. Now, if you want your Kali to talk to your Windows, then you can just add your file path and all. You can just other computer and then just click local drive C, and then yeah, you can talk to your own computer, but I don't like that, so we can cancel that. And you go okay. Right, so now it's yeah. So then you click start. Quad core, people. Single core. Not really quad core. Then it starts. This might be very exciting for very first time users. Eventually it gets old. Then you can either install it, fully install it. That means you don't have to boot it live with the CV, but because this video is about live, so you click live. Start. Okay, right, now I'm going to pause this video because the code is going to take long to run. So I'm going to pause it. When the code's done, I'll resume the video. Okay. It's not fucking working. Oh, sweet shit. Not this again. Ah, fuck it, we'll just watch the code run. So the code runs, you don't have to type anything, you just let it sit there, and sit there, and sit there, sit there. I'm gonna go find myself a cigarette, be back now. Now the code's still running, Jesus. Okay. Hey people, I'm back. Well, while this code's running, let's have a chat. How was your day? Okay, cool. Sweetness. Tough day, eh? One of them days. Yeah. Ah, shit. My day was alright, eh? You know, shit happens and all. You see what I mean by the code takes long?